Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new post on TikTok. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and you can take a new video by using the TikTok camera. Or you can also upload your own video from your gallery, and I'm just going to upload my own video. So I'm gonna select the gallery option, and I'm going to select videos right here. And wait guys, I'm going to select my video. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm going to click on next. And wait, I'm going to show you the original voice. I'm on the way to the office. Okay, and if we want to apply voice changer, we can click on this little arrow and then select the voice option. Alright, and here we'll be able to get a voice effect for our video. There are some categories you can choose. These are the popular voice builder. You can try it like this. Right, and I'm going to show you some voice builders. Let's try this one guys. Okay, wait, it's still processing. Okay,
I'm on the way to the
sounds
office.
so funny, right?
Happily.
And I'm going to try this category as well.
No, but I'm happy today.
Wait,
I
you can choose the voice builder that you like, or the best voice builder for your video.
on the way to the office.
I'm going to try this category as well. I don't know, but I'm happy today. Okay, I'm just going to select the
Today is a special day actually
funny
for someone.
voice effect. I'm gonna go with this one.
Today is
Okay,
his birthday.
once you're done, you can click on save.
I'm not gonna.
Okay, and now the
Congratulate
voice
him.
changer has been applied to my video. And then you can click on next.
This is a random run.
And then once you're ready to share your video, you can click on post. Okay, and the video will be uploaded with the voice changer. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change voice on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.